Assalamualaikum. We are from Group G22. We will present about our project 2, which is slum test. For introductions, for project 2, the students in our class J4EC110G2 were given the assignment to do group project, which is a slum test, and we are free to use any sustainable material that was acceptable for producing fresh concrete. Our group chose to change the cost aggregate in fresh concrete. We decided to use coconut shell and crushed bricks as a sustainable material to replace 15% of cost aggregate material in fresh concrete. The objective with doing this test is to determine the workability of fresh concrete by slum test. The apparatus that we use during this test is cone, stamping rod, plastic roller, water, cement, fine aggregate, and coarse aggregate.
Put sand to the bucket. Put sand and cement together and mix it. Then put the coarse aggregate. Last we put water. A bit of water first. Put the mixed concrete into the mold in 3 layers. So this is the first layer. So we tap it 25 times. Third layer. So after put in the concrete into the mold, we pull the mold vertically, slowly. And put beside the concrete. After finish, put all 3 concrete into the mold. So we measure the slump of the concrete, and we put the steel rod at the mold. So we can measure the slump of concrete. So it about 6 cm or 60 millimeter. So the workability is medium. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Maisa. Okay, today we will do a slump test for fresh concrete. Okay, the apparatus we got here is we got a front aggregate with sand. For the front aggregate, we use 389 gram. For the cement, we use the 338 gram. For the cost aggregate, 50% from the cost aggregate, I use a coconut shell. Okay, next we got water, which is 238 gram. Okay. Next, we will mix all the mixture. We put all the material in this basin. And next, we will combine all the material given. Okay, next we will put this fresh concrete into this mold. Okay, we will put this concrete into this mold by 3 layers. Each layer we will temper it 25 times. Show it carefully. Then you take this ruler and measure the height.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nazmi bin Hussein. Now I will do slump test. So this is the material that I use for doing fresh concrete. So this is coarse aggregate. I have mixed with 15% of crushed brick as my replacement for sustainable material. And this is sand with 689 grams. And this is cement with 228 grams, and this is 238 gram of water. Now I will mix all together. The length is 6 cm. The result that we get from this SLAM test is for Muhammad Huzaifah, the type of SLAM that he get is true SLAM, and the workability of his fresh concrete is medium. For Muhammad Faiz, the type of SLAM that he get is true SLAM, and the workability of his fresh concrete is very low. And lastly, for Muhammad Najmi, the type of SLAM that he get is true SLAM, and the workability of his fresh concrete is medium.